World Association for Sustainable Development is a unique global forum that brings together people from across the world to discuss key issues relating to world sustainable development. WASD aims to promote the exchange of knowledge, experience, information, and ideas among academics, scholars, professionals, policy and decision makers, executives, students, and many more to improve the mutual understanding of the roles of science and technology in achieving sustainable development all over the world. For the last 10 years, WASD has organized 11 international conferences all over the world, including UK, UAE, USA, St. Lucia, Bahrain, Australia, and Italy. WASD is organizing its 12th international conference under the theme West Meet East, focusing on sharing the past and current experience to benefit the future. This multidisciplinary conference will bring together a wide range of global experts in a forum that enable them to share experiences, develop innovative approaches, and create partnership to enhance knowledge sharing and international scientific cooperation. The conference will be held on the 13th to the 15th of August 2014 in Montreal, Canada.